I decided to not watch Chelsea anymore until these owners leave because there's no point. I don't know why these fans keep going to these stadiums. You guys will be patient and really be strong enough to not go. Okay, these owners, they're not exactly monsters, right? I'm sure they have a soul. If people keep stop going, if you stop watching Chelsea games, they will eventually leave within a year. I don't want Chelsea to get relegated. I hope it doesn't get to that. But I won't watch Chelsea. This is my club. I care about Chelsea too much to watch this. This is Chelsea became a joke. They don't have any ideas. It's no. But I pray God this stops.